Hey guys, welcome back. New home update. This is November 8th, 2022, and we did get something. We had something delivered. Our air conditioner. So that's what we were waiting for. It was on back order, and we didn't even know if we were going to get that in time for our walkthrough or closing or anything. So, I'm glad to see that's in there, set up, almost plugged in. So looks like they got to hook the wires up and the switches and stuff, but they have the A coil and stuff hooked up to it. I don't know if we've been inside yet to do anything today, so let's go in here and take a look around, see if they got any wiring done. Be right back. All right, so we're back. I don't see where anything has really been done in here as far as any electric. Still no mirror, still no switches. Nope, not seeing much. At least we got our air conditioner in. At least it's set up. Like I say, that was a big thing because it was on back order. We didn't even know when we were going to get it. So that's something. Let's just kind of take a quick run through here and see if we missed something. All right, turn the light on. Let's look in the garage. Anything spectacular in here? There's a box. Do anything with the electric panel? Nope, it looks the same. So, there you go. We have our air conditioner. At least it's something. And once they get in here, I bet they'll knock out this electric pretty quick. I bet it won't be any longer than a day or two. It's just getting them here. Now, next thing is we have tropical storm or Hurricane Nicole coming in. It's going to come in off the Atlantic. See, this is Tuesday, and it's going to come in Wednesday night into Thursday, and it'll be here all day Thursday. So it's kind of quick moving, so I don't anticipate any problems with that other than there won't be anybody working. Anywho, thanks for watching. Guess that's the end of the home vlog. I got nothing else to say.